Alrighty, y'all, now that I've got most of my ingredients into my crock pot here, I am just coming in with a stick of butter and I am just gonna cut this into pats. Now I have got my pickle flavored dill pickle corn puff balls, pickle balls, and I just put 2 8-ounce bags of my pickle balls down into my crock pot here. Now I've got a little bit of pepper jack cheese that I've got right on top here. That's about 2 pounds. I got 1 block of our cream cheese. I did add some full-size dill pickles into the mix here and a little bit of that dill pickle rind to bring out that pickle flavor even more. 1 block of cream cheese. Just gonna remove my label there. Now we did use some heavy whipping cream, and I am gonna also season this with some garlic powder. I think you can't go wrong with garlic. And we're gonna use some minced onions. Perfect. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna start it off like that. I've got it going on high. I'm gonna let it go for about 2 hours and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, guys. We had this going for several hours. To be honest, a little bit too long because we actually went to go play pickleball while we were waiting. But here I go with my immersion blender. You just want to get this all blended up, make sure those balls are broken and mixed in with our cream cheese, our other cheeses. You could add some spinach to this if you'd like. I'm grinding up those pickles as well. So everything is going to be nice and flavorful. There is this very popular viral pickle dip on the internet right now. And this is my version of that with the pickleball balls. Now to go with my pickle ball dip, I have got some blue corn chips. Blue and green, we're eating the rainbow today. Y'all, that is delicious. Pickleball pickle dip. You gotta try it.